Samsung has just launched the Galaxy S25 series, but initial leaks about next year's Galaxy S26 lineup have already started circulating online. Samsung hasn't introduced any significant upgrades to the front camera setup on its flagship phones in recent years, but the latest leak suggests that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could change this trend. Samsung wants to go with an under-display camera for its next slab-style flagship smartphone. The Korean company is already using such a unit in its Galaxy Z Fold line for the folding display. We do hope that the quality will be immensely improved for the S26 Ultra. Samsung is said to be evaluating a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with a 1/1.5-inch sensor size for the Galaxy S26 Ultra model. One of the recent leaks suggests that the Galaxy S26 Ultra could feature a massive 7,000 mAh battery, 2,000 mAh more than this year's model. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to feature 65W wired fast charging. S25 series run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 hardware. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.